Dude, what do you need drift mode for? I don't need drift mode. That's sick!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luke. This is David. Y'all know David.
Did you seriously order semi-racing tires for the Mini Cooper? Is that what it's coming to? Seriously?
The tires are definitely not going to be the holdup on this build. Anyways, guys, so David surprised me with that Mini Cooper. It's a 2003 Cooper S, so it's supercharged, but it clearly needs a lot of work. So in today's video, I'm going to take it to the car wash, get this thing cleaned out. The interior specifically needs the most help. Now, David, you going to help me clean it?
Cleaning, no. Modding, I guess I'll help you. Oh boy, what are you doing?
Trying to get this headliner out, man. The headliner fell apart.
What? Yeah, maybe I don't believe this. This looks terrible.
The whole thing is just.
It's just falling apart.
Well, the previous owner obviously had some good intentions, but I think the glue just failed on
Please
it.
tell me you have a plan for the seats. Ooh. It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Not too bad.
It's a good slate to put something else down. It's a little sticky, I'm gonna be honest. I hope that was how that was supposed to come off. Oh, that's gnarly. Dude, that's real bad.
And that's just like half of the driver's side.
No, it'll be awesome though.
Disgusting.
This is gonna be great. Are you excited?
I'm getting more excited the cleaner it gets, but it's still disgusting.
Dude, I'm so jazzed. Ooh, she is looking pretty.
Yeah, just fine.
She
Not
looks
great.
good.
Not good. But
All right.
better.
Well, we did the headliner, and it may look a little rough, but there are going to be some trim pieces that go in. You're putting it upside down yet. Put it right.
It's breaking. Oh no.
This is not working. I would like to point out that Luke cut an extra hole in here that we didn't need done.
Definitely wasn't me, but
It might have been me, but I think it looks awesome. This thing is coming together. What's next?
that was a lot of work. Okay, now for the fun stuff. I am super excited about these seats. Now, I haven't told David which seats I got, so I'm gonna let you do the honors of opening them up.
Oh, thanks. If there's any indication based on the tires showing up, which were semi-racing tires, I can only imagine these are going to be super lightweight. Twice in the box.
Can you tell what they are?
No, I can't. But I am. All right. So they feel very much like the Focus seats. Fixed back for sure. Oh my god. Woo. Dude, those look excellent. Of course you would pick a racing seat.
That's right, guys. I went with the Corbeau DFX fixed back racing. Are you smelling my seat?
Yeah, it's gonna smell a lot better. It's gonna smell like a new car. I like them.
Perfect. Anyways, guys, Corbeau's awesome. They've been in business for over 50 years. They're the leader in aftermarket seats. Now, the fit and finish of these in person is so sick. Now, obviously, these are going to save us about 30 pounds per seat. They're going to hold us in side to side. Now, the best part is they're actually 5-point harness. Now, I didn't show you this yet.
No, but I peeked in the box for sure.
We're going full race car. We got full 5-point harnesses. I am super excited. Now, the great thing about Corbeau is they have a massive selection of brackets. They have a bracket for almost every vehicle on the market. So getting the seats to fit in the car is going to be super easy.
check that out. No oil leakage too. Hey, no oil.
Really?
Yeah, we were right.
Dude,
they were all fake leaks. They weren't real. These seats feel great.
They feel really good.
All right, easy. But it definitely doesn't have the smell that it had
Dude, it
before.
smells like a new car.
I wouldn't go as far as saying it smells like a new car, but it certainly smells better. Underpass. You can only hear the truck. This thing is sick. It's so quiet. It's like stealth, dude. Nobody knows you're coming. And then also, you're a little embarrassed too. The Focus has drift mode. Where's your drift mode? Yeah! Dude, what do you need drift mode for? That's sick! All right, guys, seats are in, inside clean. It's looking good. It's feeling good. Are you feeling good?
It's feeling way better.
All right, guys, we've got some exciting stuff coming up on the Mini. Luke is finally catching the vision. He's getting excited. Check him out.
It smells better, makes me feel better. Now we have a lot more coming. The seats are obviously pretty sick, but I'm excited for what's next. I haven't told David yet. See if we can see.
I still think we should do nitrous. What happens if we get 1,000 comments? Can we do nitrous?
1,000 comments?
1,000 comments.
Okay, if we get 1,000 comments, that's a lot of comments. I don't think we're gonna get that. If we get 1,000 comments, we'll put nitrous in the
Nitrous. And Luke's gonna pay for it. We're not covering that because it's definitely gonna blow that car up. Okay guys, we still got the Focus. We wanna do more to that, so let us know in the comments what you think we should do next. Obviously, Luke's got a lot of work ahead of him on this sucker, but we got more to come. It's gonna be fun. Please do us a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more videos, and we're gonna catch you on the next one. 31.97. You know, that would have been like $14 if you put 85 in.